and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another ideas, beautiful designs and new video. Today video is very helpful for you guys because in this video I am going to show you very nice wooden work projects, wooden work creative ideas, different images of wooden creative ideas. I hope you guys enjoy my new video. I hope you guys enjoy my newly ideas, designs and beautiful style. Just keep on watching guys, because these latest and beautiful wooden creative ideas, designs and style are so new and so beautiful and so gorgeous. If you like my new ideas, if you like my new designs and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And these beautiful, nice and awesome ideas of wooden creative designing are so beautiful. Looking very trendy, looking very nice, looking very stylish and beautiful. Guys, these beautiful, perfect and nice ideas and designs are so unique. You can try this type of wooden creative ideas and designs and beautiful and new style. If you want to see more videos, if you want to see more ideas, more style and more designs, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are a wooden work expert, this video is very helpful for you guys. My dear ladies, dear women, I am already uploading different designing and styling ideas and style. Of wooden different projects and different creative things. You can make different wooden creative ideas like doors, household items, kitchen decoration and different type of table, dining table, stylish sofas and different type of shelf and wardrobe and so many different unique bed set and house and as well. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful video, indoor and outdoor plant stands with wood, and you can create so many different things. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you guys enjoy these beautiful designs and style. My dear ladies and dear women, please like this video, like these amazing designs and beautiful style. I hope you guys enjoy my newly ideas and designs and perfect style and gorgeous designs. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much for watching my all new videos and perfect ideas and style and beautiful designs. We will be right back with another amazing ideas, with another amazing style. If you are new, please guys visit my channel and the playlist. You can see hundreds of new ideas, designs and perfect style. And take care guys, keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys like all the new perfect and gorgeous ideas and designs and beautiful style. I hope you guys enjoy my new video. I hope you guys enjoy my new ideas and new style and new pattern. Take care guys, keep spotting me and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much for watching my all new videos, designs, and beautiful ideas and style. And hopefully, you guys like all